we got a little red bean and rice. You know what I'm saying? We got our rice that's already cooked. You know, we got the red beans and sausages right here. I've been cooking since this morning. What else? We got the cornbread. You know what I'm saying, man, coming over here, you know, in the works. And then we got the chicken and stuff right here that's going to be fried. And a couple more minutes after this one, it's done. So you know, I guess after this done, man, I'm gonna hit y'all back up. Show you what it's looking like, man. All right, gang. Stay tuned for the next video. And I'm gonna show you how it's looking. All right, hang tight. All right, y'all. I'm back. So we got about 3 pieces of fried chicken ready, and we got a few more inside the deep fry. And we just waiting until it's done. And we're gonna take all that out and drop these last 2 inside there, and we should be good to go. Meanwhile, you know, we got the cornbread cooking. Everything's all coming along. You feel me? Alright, gang. Like I said, man, after everything is cooked, we're gonna hit y'all up, man, back up again. And yeah, man, we're gonna see what's up. Alright. Hang tight. Alright, gang. Cornbread coming out good. It's almost cooked. I mean, it's cooked now. You know, I guess maybe she wanted a little darker than this, maybe. I don't know, but I'm gonna let it maybe just get just a little darker. We're gonna take out. But overall, some fried chicken looking good. Oh yeah. Yes, indeed. Looks so good. Got the last batch inside here. That's cooking. We're gonna be done with that, man. You know? Yes, indeed. Just want to say to the camera.
Hey y'all. We got it going on in this kitchen. We got it going on in this kitchen, man. We cooking.
Alright, y'all. We're gonna hit y'all back up in a few more minutes. Everything is almost cooked. Alright, hang tight. Alright, gang. Well, let's go ahead and the finished product right here. Fried chicken is cooked. Cornbread is cooked. The rice being cooked. Red beans and sausage is cooked. That's it. That's how it's looking. Alright. So with that being said, man, hope y'all enjoyed my video, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed every bit of it. Thank y'all and have a blessed day, man. And happy holidays. Yep. All right. Peace.